Bella's Quick Recipes. I have here the leftover cranberries from last week's video. I went ahead and I thawed them so that they're nice and mushy. You're gonna need to freeze your cranberries and then thaw them out so they get all that beautiful color when they defrost and all those juices. But you could also use cranberry sauce for this recipe, so anything left over from Thanksgiving will work here. Here I have some butter. It's kind of softened. I like to kind of keep my butter really cold because I just hate chilling the dough and waiting for it to harden back up. So I always just keep it a little bit cold. And just make sure there's no chunks of butter when you're creaming it together with the sugar. That's the important part. Once it's all creamed together, you could go ahead and add the cranberries and some orange zest and juice. These are actually tangerines, and we're gonna be making like the most wonderful flavors, so make sure you zest these, wash them first and then zest them before you juice them, so we get nice, beautiful, fresh zest. Anytime you're using this big mixer, always scrape the sides of the bowl, because if not, there's going to be a lot of ingredients that are stuck on the bottom. It's just the way these shaped bowls are. They can't reach the bottom. So now that all of our wet ingredients is mixed together, you're going to add the dry ingredients. This is flour, baking powder, and salt. Now don't forget, all my recipes are always listed down below in the description box. Today's recipe, I doubled it because anytime I'm making cookies, I like to make a lot and give them away to, you know, family and stuff, especially when it's the holidays. Once I add the dry ingredients, I always go in with a rubber spatula and mix. I never turn the beater back on to any recipe. It's just way more controllable when you mix it with your hands. But whatever you do, don't over mix this batter. I know it's kind of tricky because it's a little bit of a thick batter, but you just don't want to form all the gluten, and then it's gonna be like a gummy cookie, and that's not what you want. I mean, look at this. Oh, so pretty. You know what? I'm just thinking, like, if you wanted to turn this into a scone, this would make a really good scone. This is about a cup of cranberries. Every time I make cookies, I use a half a cup measuring scoop, and I just make them ginormous because to me, I feel like if I just have one, then it's okay. Even though one cookie is so big, I would imagine this counts as like 3 cookies. These are gonna take about 30 minutes because they are just so thick. And they're giving me kind of scone vibes, so we're just gonna check them after about 25 minutes. Wow, these cookies are crazy. They're so sparkly. You know what time it is? These are just the most gorgeous things I've ever seen in my life. What about you guys? Look how soft they are inside. Cheers. That's buttery. This tastes just like a buttery shortbread, but an orange shortbread. And it's really tart with the cranberries, but the inside is so soft, like a really soft, chewy sugar cookie. It's like buttery and tart, not that sweet. So I would for sure be adding some chocolate into this, either white or dark chocolate chips. If you guys want to make something very unique this holiday season, you must try this recipe out. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.